Well, we will be solving the day 4 of Advent of Code. So yeah, usually you have like two parts. That's why I split it in two methods or parts. Now we're going to be reading from the input one I already have, and like I'm going to simulate reading through all of these little lines instead of pasting everything in the terminal. That's boring. Understood. Let's get to it. I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this. Maybe this will be a line. Not really. Like line will be the equal to line that we replace this with like an empty. Okay. From here, sorry, I have the rest. I mean, the rest will be equal to 0. I will be printing that, and I'll be adding for each pair that is under this statement. Okay, so first thing will be F1, F2. F1 will be an F2. They will be doing like a line that split by the comma, and then to get the range of this will be the range 1. This will be the I need A and B, I guess. I can do the def build range. It will receive a string, and this needs to return a list, so return something like A will be the S. Now I can do the A, B, S dot split by the dash. So I have the range now, and I'm going to return list of range from A till B plus 1. And yeah, that's it, I guess. I mean, let me just print that for now, and I will be build range for F1. Yeah, so okay, that's not an integer. A and B, they are not integers, so I mean, I don't need to reuse this variable, so I'll just do the cast here. For int. Okay, now I cannot do the addition without. Okay, the first one is from 2, 3, 4. The second one 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2. Okay, it's absolutely fine. Okay, now I have the build range. Yeah. What can I do? Here. Okay, this is the range for the elf1. I'll call it here A. This is the A, and like the same with the B, with the elf2. So now, yeah, now I have the two ranges. Thanks to this. What I need to do is to see if A is in B. Not sure if that's going to work. Let me do a check. For example, 1, 2, 1, 3. If that's inside 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 4, false. But if they are in the same order, I mean, these are going to be no false. So what can I do? Maybe I can do this can be A, and this could be B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. And I can do A equal to C of A, B the same thing, it will be a set, and A, B I guess it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, oh no, I need the ampersand. Okay, and if I cast this into a list, okay, if this is equal to A, oh wait, no, A now is equal to 1, 2, 3. What happens if I do this now? Oh no, but maybe this will work. Okay, so for this, I can, instead of returning a list, I will return a set. I mean, I know that there's a lot of casting here, but now these are sets, and oh no, I want to keep the list. I'll say like set A will be a set of A, and now the set of B. Now, like in the comma will be set of A ampersand set of B. I mean, I can cast this into a list, so I want a list, and I can say if common is equal to A or common is equal to B, then the rest will be plus 1. Okay, 2. Yeah, it's working. So now it's time for me to get my inputs. Okay, now I can run the main. 6. I'm gonna get 16. Oh no, that's not the right answer. My answer is too low. If you're stuck, make sure you're using a full input data. There are also some general tips on the about page. Okay, this is my first like run answer. Usually it's having purely oh, it has a space here. Wondering if that's affecting this. I mean, instead of doing this, yeah, I can do like, is 17 lower than this, and is this lower than this, or is this lower than this? Yeah, like we can assert the ranges here. Maybe we can try that. I mean, since I have the numbers, it's just a pure like if statements. Okay, let's go back to the examples. For example, here I'll have like I have A and B. Okay, let me run like a div part 1.1. I'll do something similar. I mean, I don't want to lose this solution. That's why I want to build a different one. Okay. Instead of doing this, have that here. Okay, so A1 and B1 will be equal to, the L.1 split like the dash. Okay, I don't mind that. This will be a 2, and here 2 as well. I don't need to set the common on those things, but what I will need to say is if A underscore, no, I need to cast this. So I'll say int like this, Okay, now, for example, we will have the 2 and 3 and the 4 and 5. In this case, the dot doesn't overlap. But let's start with this case. If A1 is A1, no, I rather start with the 2 8s, for example. Two 8 and 3 7. Okay, so if A1 is inside the thing that's, or maybe I can start with the 6 6. And 6. Okay. If A1 is greater, if A1 is greater than A2, greater or equal A2 and B1 is less or than equal than B2, then this covers like the full statement, and then elif. If, for example, now the case that's up here, in this case, A1 is, or we can start with A2, A2, where is this thing? I'm doing this case. So A2 is greater than 1, greater or equal than 1, sorry, than A1, and B2 is lower or equal than B1. Yeah, this may work. I can upload the rest. Okay, it was, oh, you have a problem here, total list comprehension. Okay, this is different. Let's trust our solution now. Yeah, gold star. Nice. Continue to the part 2. I mean, this was easy. I mean, doing this approach was simple. Instead of building the whole list. Okay, but part 2, it seems like there's still quite a bit of duplicated work planned. Instead, the elves would like to know the number of pairs that overlap at all. Oh, chic. Now our solution with the list will be useful. It seems like there's still quite a bit of duplicate work planned. Instead, the elves would like to know the number of pairs that overlap at all. In the above example, the first 2 pairs don't overlap, while the remember 4 pairs and blah blah do overlap in a single section. 7, 3, 7, 6, 4, 6, 4, 5, 6. So in this example, the number of overlapping assessments pair is 4. And how many assignments a pair do the range overlap? Okay, so looking back at this, I guess, I mean, they fully overlap. So yeah, this is a completely solution, and I mean, this is valid. But we want to introduce some other cases as well. In this will be here, they don't overlap at all. So, I mean, this is not going to enter into the range, right? But for this, let me test cases. How was now we are working with this. Now we will be expecting the 4. So for this doesn't overlap at all here. They overlap only in one field. So that's one case, I guess. If they overlap in one, I mean, we can use the sets here. Yeah, if we use the sets and we use the common things, that will give us the answer here. Oh no, but we want to do this like in part 2. Yeah, maybe I'm going slow here. I guess slow. So sorry. Okay, for this will be built range, and I want to return a list. No, I don't want to return a set now. I mean, I know that I can do this comparing the ranges as well, but don't know. So here will be L1, and I'll call it like set A, set 1. Okay, I have the 2 sets. What I want to see is the length of the set. I don't remember if a set has a length. Yeah, it does. So if length of the returns a set, so 1 and set 2 is greater than 0, then they overlap, and then the rest should be +1. 4, having to print here. Oh no, the first one is calling the part 1. Yep, this may be the solution. Let's see, input and 938. Let's see. Yeah, cool. So yeah, let's see the leaderboard, my personal stats. Okay, not bad, I guess. I hope you liked the video, and see you tomorrow.